Hi guys, AR Malik here. In this video, I am going to show you how to check all sent friend requests on Facebook. You can see all your sent friend requests from day 1 to till now. If these are 5 to 10-year old, you can check in 1 minute. Let's open up Facebook, then tap on 3 dots in top right corner. Now tap on friends option in middle. Here you can see I don't have any pending friend request. You have to simply tap on friend request option. No new request. I don't have any new request. You have to click on 3 dots in top right corner. In bottom you can click on view sent request. Tap on this option. Here you can see one of the requests is 3 days older and one of them is 1 year older. You can check all your sent friend requests if these are 5 or 10-year older. Here you can see in bottom this request is 2-year older. With this simple method you can easily check all your sent friend requests on Facebook. Like, comment and subscribe.